Want to know how to restore your account in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, you need to keep in mind that in order to restore your PUBG Mobile data, you need to make sure that you have linked it with something. So maybe your Facebook, Gmail, or Play Games account. So if you haven't linked it though, it's not possible to restore it. So make sure you have linked it as well. So once you open a PUBG Mobile, for the first time, it should be showing in this login page right here. So yeah, if you want to restore your account, you can choose various options like Twitter, Facebook. On email, we can head towards more with Apple, Play Games, and QR code as well. So just simply select any one of them which you had logged in with. And after that is done, there you have it. You should be automatically logged in and your account should be restored. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.